Hi, my name is Bill Caskey. I'm a Children's Services Librarian here, and I want to tell you about the All-In collection at Kalamazoo Public Library. All-In is 15 sets of excellent picture books, each around a different theme. You see this one that is Everywhere Babies. They're really fun, but they really also show the diversity of people that children will see in the world. When you check out the bag, you get books and often some toys that come with it. You'll also receive this great pamphlet, Teaching Young Children to Resist Bias, from the National Association for the Education of Young Children. This pamphlet has some great tips for parents and teachers for how to talk about something that's difficult for a lot of us to do, and that is talk about difference. The All-In collection has a lot of different sets. This one about babies. There are other ones about stories of family legacy. There are stories about different foodways and cultures. And there are a whole variety of kits we hope you'll explore. Check out the All-In collection here at Kalamazoo Public Library.